The 2026 Mazda CX-50 continues to elevate its bold design while maintaining its strong presence in the competitive compact SUV market. Following its successful debut, the CX-50 has refined its styling, balancing rugged sophistication with sleek appeal. The latest model sharpens its front-end look, replacing the previous, more aggressive design with a more streamlined and polished aesthetic, aligning with Mazda's signature style while still standing out in its class. Design and exterior. The 2026 Mazda CX-50 makes a striking impression, blending rugged appeal with refined elegance. Its bold front grille, sleek LED headlights, and dynamic body lines create an athletic yet polished look. The elevated stance, rugged black cladding, and available roof rails add an adventurous flair. Mazda's signature Kodo design gives the CX-50 a sophisticated, sporty edge, making it one of the most stylish SUVs in its class. Interior and comfort. Inside, the CX-50 offers a luxurious feel, with premium leather upholstery and soft touch materials. The comfortable seats come with available heating and ventilation, ensuring maximum comfort. A 10.25-inch infotainment screen adds a sleek, modern touch, while the 12-speaker Bose system delivers excellent sound quality. With plenty of space for passengers and cargo, the interior is perfect for both everyday drives and long journeys. Performance and handling. Under the hood, the 2026 CX-50 offers two engine options: a turbocharged 2.5-liter inline-4 with up to 256 horsepower and a fuel-efficient hybrid version. Paired with Mazda's 6-speed automatic transmission and i-Active AWD, it delivers a thrilling, responsive driving experience. Whether on city roads or off-road trails, the CX-50 handles with remarkable precision and agility. Technology and safety. The 2026 CX-50 is loaded with advanced tech, including wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a customizable digital driver display. For safety, it offers features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system, ensuring both cutting-edge connectivity and top-notch security. Starting at around $35,000 for the base model, with higher trims and hybrid versions nearing $45,000, the 2026 Mazda CX-50 offers excellent value in the compact SUV market.